friends, welcome back to my channel Rosie Crafttube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by, caught in an action I can't rewind. Oh, and in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be running out of energy. Oh, we say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young.